Absolute advantage is the ability of an individual, company, region, or country to produce a greater quantity of a good or service with the same quantity of inputs per unit of time, or to produce the same quantity of a good or service per unit of time using a lesser quantity of inputs than its competitors. Absolute advantage can be accomplished by creating the good or service at a lower absolute cost per unit using a smaller number of inputs, or by a more efficient process. Absolute advantage is when a producer can provide a good or service in greater quantity for the same cost, or the same quantity at a lower cost, than its competitors. A concept developed by Adam Smith, absolute advantage can be the basis for large gains from trade between producers of different goods with different absolute advantages. By specialization, division of labor, and trade, producers with different absolute advantages can always gain more than producing and consuming in isolation. Absolute advantage can be contrasted with comparative advantage, which is the ability to produce goods and services at a lower opportunity cost. One advantage of the theory of absolute advantage is its simplicity. The theory provides an elegant explanation of the benefits of trade, showing how countries can benefit by focusing on their absolute advantages. However, the theory of comparative advantage does not fully explain why nations benefit from trade. A clear example of a nation with an absolute advantage is Saudi Arabia, a country with abundant oil supplies that provide it with an absolute advantage over other nations. Other examples include Colombia and its climate, ideally suited to growing coffee, and Zambia, possessing some of the world's richest copper mines. For Saudi Arabia to try and grow coffee and Colombia to drill for oil would be an extremely costly and, likely, unproductive undertaking.